quiet like before, but it felt a little more like the silence held a weight I could feel but not relate. Rain had stopped, the sound was gone, yet the quiet lingered on. Not as calm as it once stayed, but a space that slowly changed. I would sit and try to hear what had shifted somewhere near, in the stillness of the day, in the things I couldn't say. Nothing moved and nothing broke, yet something inside awoke. Not in noise or sudden way, just a thought that chose to stay. I remember how it felt when the quiet simply held, without asking anything, without changing everything. Now it feels a little deep, like a place I cannot keep, like it asks me just to see what it means to just be me. In that quiet I can find something hidden in my mind, not as clear but still it grows. In the silence no one knows, and I sit and let it be, though it's not the same for me. In the quiet that once stayed, in the way it slowly changed.
Echoes of night. Have you ever felt like home was a feeling?